But my eyes are huge. You think they're big now. Hello, Father. But yes. Don't worry about what they're doing at all.
It's kind of doing the same thing as manipulating the puppet to I don't know how many of you remember lamb chop.
Yes.
It's a glorified sock.
Yeah, tiny little sock. And then she might have actually, the real one might have been smaller than this. It was the tiniest little thing on Sherry Lewis's tiny little hand. And she would do all of these little motions to basically, you know, the shape of your hand is the basis of your design. If I open my mouth, it's like the industry standard. This is the same upholstery foam.
Okay.
Yeah.
Keep real to me.
Yeah, I redid it and I lost a lot of the flexibility. I'd like to redo it again and bring it back. But with this, you see there's just a little subtle, you can be as big or as small as you want, but it's just enough to
And like he wouldn't really work as a rock puppet because you just need that extra life to it.
There's points in the old Muppet Show if you ever watch. There's a point where Jim Henson.
I felt like it would take
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my gosh,
Dude, this is so weird.
Okay, so everybody has their guys, like these little guys do. You obviously know what they're supposed to like. You have some characters have a little like. Slowly move this way. So you have a monitor.
We're just
set
grubs.
up.
It's a grubby grub world.
About filling the frame. Sometimes you'll see things where they're kind of like here. So we're gonna have we can go down a line and everybody will walk through.
Bro, this is
so
weird.
how this works is see as I go farther back.
The tendency is to lean.
The characters down closer to the camera will help hide those puppeteers. So let's say I'm back. All right, let's try this. Let's do it.
So much shell in one place. Bro.
The head of the pod. When you're staring at it, it's okay, you're welcome. I'm just an ordinary.
And it was awkward because then I had to do this. The feet came in front, and then he did the backstroke. So that's what I do consistently just here. Right? And then it would be I'm gonna fly into this branch. So I'm pooping. What the world is like that? So they all generally do like that. Now with Scott's character.
He does it like plays a whole
Shoot quick. Dudes, we are here with the bird call birds. What is up? Can you tweet something? Sweet. This was an amazing workshop. Lots of puppets, not as many people as I thought. So weird, but I love it. Thank you, bird call. Sweet. Oh yeah, that was amazing. We are tired. You can see them glistening with sweat.
Spaghetti.
Oh yeah, was that fun though?
It was fun.
Dude, we learned some stuff. Probably the most intriguing thing that we learned especially was the monitor stuff, like getting your eye focus and like that it's all backwards and just crazy. That was really cool. That was what I was most excited about, and I definitely got some practice, but a lot of work to do. So
What caught me off guard, or what I really want to do now, is build a puppet. That would be awesome.
ooh, I know. That's like a whole nother realm. I'm like, I need someone with talent.
Oh, we need somebody that can sew.
Yeah. But so good. Thank you for watching. Thank you, Bird Call, Calvin, and all the gang. Thank you, Miguel, for going with me. That was amazing. To this master puppetry class.
Till the next one.
Bringing the father to the fatherless. Adios.